Rahmani. Look at Alex. Watch Alex. Where's your socks, Abby?
They're right there. Just to back up Alex. I need extra socks because those are my extra. I got my old socks on. Mom, those are my extra socks.
Oh yeah, where's your other socks?
Here they are, right here.
Yeah. These are wet. She put these wet.
Mine are wet too.
So now I got extra socks on.
Yeah, okay.
Mom, don't think they're my feet.
Okay.
Good job. He did the whole length of the pool.
Wow.
Good job.
They're nice extra.